Guys, welcome my channel. It's Sanjay. Now today, as guys all can see, I just started vlogging and it's another cut here to open. Wow, just how conveniently placed. So guys, we're unboxing this thing. It's something I don't know. It's just saying cut here to open, so I'm just gonna cut it. My knife ain't digging through this thing. Okay. My knife is not digging through this thing, that's why let's just use normal opening mechanism. Getting 3 Harry Potter books at once is for sure a big goal, but then I got 3 of them. I think there are like 3 in all there. Now, as you all can see, I'm just gonna open this thing up. 1, 2, and 3. I'm still opening this thing. It's so hard. So guys, I'm gonna see you after I'm done opening it. So guys, I got it, and it's this. I got 3 Harry Potter books. 1 is gonna be Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. 2, Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets. And 3, Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban. Now this thing also contains 3 bookmarks. Let's check it out. So guys, I'm just gonna open this thing. It's taped. Of course, it's taped. I'm gonna give you the live. Okay. Oh, yo, this is how it goes. So this thing is like taped. I think this is like taped or something like that, because why can't I get the books? Something is wrong with this thing, and I know it. I think it's taped. Yeah. Guys, let me just call you when I figure it out. This is what they gave us. Where is the bookmark? I got it open. Now guys, I cannot find the bookmarks. Where are the bookmarks? Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets. 2. Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. 1. And Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban. 3. This is what they gave us. and some bookmarks which I and some bookmarks. I couldn't find the word, so I just said it like bookmarks. So bye bye.